It's a day in the life of DC.
Hi guys.
Subscribe and join the family.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel today. So I'm DC and you're watching The Life of DC. So today I'm going to try to make the feta pasta dish that's going viral on TikTok and YouTube. We're going to see if it's any good. So I'm going to do a slight bit of a twist. I'm going to add spinach to mine because I like spinach in my pasta. And then also, what's pasta without some type of bread? You have to have bread to go with pasta. So I'm also going to make some Texas toast, some garlic Texas toast. So if you're curious about any of the instructions, cooking instructions or ingredients, all of that will be listed in my description box below. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. All right, let's get to it. So I have my feta cheese, which was hard to find, by the way. Have my grape tomatoes. I'm actually gonna make some garlic Texas toast with mine. And then I'm also gonna add some fresh spinach with mine. We're gonna do a little twist by adding in the spinach. We're gonna see how this tastes. We're gonna try it out. So this should be good. So keep watching. If you wanna know, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, along with the cooking instructions. So just check out the description box and stay tuned. Gonna see how this is gonna taste. Okay, so like I said guys, this is gonna be a slight twist. So instead of using fettuccine noodles, I'm gonna use linguine noodles. Very similar, just then instead of using basil, I'm gonna put spinach in instead. But I still have the thyme, we got oregano, we have the olive oil, we have our salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna add probably a little bit of Cajun just for a little spice. But we have all our things. Like I said, slight twist. Instead of the basil, I'm gonna put in spinach. And instead of fettuccine noodles, I'm gonna use linguine noodles. But everything else is the same. I mean, noodles are noodles, so. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to get a pot. Get a pot so I can heat up my noodles. So we're gonna do that. Let's see guys. Stove. Gonna get that started, get the water boiling before we put the noodles in. You do have to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, so we already have that started, and it's gonna be for 30 minutes. Okay, so first thing you do is line your pan with some olive oil. And I'm just moving it around. Okay. Olive oil. Then you're gonna add your tomatoes. And let me wash my tomatoes off first. Make sure you always wash your fruit and vegetables off. So we're gonna add in the tomatoes. And I think I need a few more. So I'm gonna do it like that. Right, then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. I like to really season my stuff. Now I'm not gonna add too much salt. Probably gonna add a little more pepper though. Okay. All right, now we have to do our garlic. Here's the garlic. Just gonna add it. All right guys, so I'm adding in my garlic. I'm gonna open the feta. I'm gonna put feta in, put it in the middle like that. Then now you're gonna add in all your seasoning. So I already added salt and pepper. So we're gonna add some oregano. There we go. Gonna add some oregano. Gonna add in your thyme. Gonna add in just a little bit of Cajun. Just a little bit to give it a little kick. I'm gonna add just a little bit more the salt, of the pepper. And a little dash of salt. And then just a little bit more of the olive oil. Okay. All right, so you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so this is what it looks like with all the seasoning on it. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the oven. Again, 400 degrees, 30 minutes. Hit start. Make sure a timer starts. Okay. Okay, so we put the dish in the oven. Again, it's 400 degrees and it's 30 minutes. We already have our water boiling. So I'm going to check and check on our noodles. Okay, so the water is boiling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our noodles. All right, so now we're going to cook our noodles. These open. All right, noodles are coming along just fine. All right, so taking it out. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Do have to mash up the feta cheese. Mix everything together. Hopefully this is good, guys. So much stuff. Put it in there. Now crisp up. So we're gonna make it on the stove since it's faster. So you just turn it on, put it in a skillet, and cook it until it gets the way you like. So here's the noodles. We're gonna take the noodles and combine it. So let's turn it off. All right, so we mixed it up, guys. And we rinsed our noodles. So we're gonna add in the noodles to the meal. Let's mix up everything together. We're gonna see if this tastes good, guys. Okay, just flip it over. Just want it to be crispy on both sides. Leave it a little longer. Want the bread to be crispy. All right, guys, so that is the finished product, and I did taste it. Let's see. Take some. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. It tastes good, actually. Definitely have to like feta cheese, but it tastes really good. So let me know in the comments if you actually try this recipe, and let me know how it comes out. Thanks for watching my channel again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi guys. Subscribe and join the family.
Thank you for tuning in my vlog today.
It's a day in the life of DC.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.